with 7x. Let's go. Woo! We're back again. And guess what? This time with a 7x. First things first, let's see the max multi. That'll be 100, but let's apply the 7x. So that makes it pow, pow, pow. Ooh la la. 700. Let's cover them all up, everybody. And time. A little bit. A shuffle, but keep in mind those emojis are not connected to the multis in any way. So basically, the gorgeous 700 can be anywhere. Oh yeah, time for you to pow, pick a target, whichever you think the 700 is, or 350. We got a lot of the gorgeous multis there on the wall. Couple more seconds left to go, or if you don't want to choose, and you believe in the power of an auto pick that it can bring you some luck, you can feel free to use it. Let's go. Let's get to the reveal part. And 700 is nearly in the middle, but we got plenty of hundreds, 140s, 350s. Beautiful round. Congratulations to all the winners in total. We got, how many of you? 8,157. Ooh,